After creating modules, cohorts, and reading lists, the next step is to bring students into the cohort. The cohort page shows how many students have joined and whether invitations are enabled. To let students join, enable invitations for the cohort. Once enabled, students can be invited through the available link, code, or QR route. The invitation details can be shared in the places students already use, such as Moodle, Teams, email, or a class slide. As students join, they appear in the cohort membership and activity tables. From there, course leaders can see who has joined, who is active, and who may need a reminder or support. This makes rollout straightforward. Invite students once, then monitor engagement through the same cohort workspace.